Oh, hey, that's Mom. She's happy again.
Check it out, boy.
You guys made a snowman family? Why didn't you wait for me?
You can still make one. There's some snow left under the car.
Oh, stupid family.
Hey, Simpson, look what I swiped! It's a replacement tire!
Huh?
This fake snow is making me dizzy.
There you are. Are you hiding something?
Nothing.
Oh, Bart, not again. I spend 23 hours a day here. Hand it over. Oh, Bart,
I wanted to surprise you for Christmas.
this is the best present a mother could get. I love you so much.
Mom!